Hello everyone, I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School at Home, Class 4, Subject Computer, and I'm your computer teacher JM Khan. Today we are going to continue our type of computer chapter question and answer. Okay, so it is question and answer of chapter 2. So let us start with question and answer session. Okay, so here is question number first. You can see on your screen, that is, take the correct answer and fill in the blanks, right? So what you have to do, you need to just fill in the blanks. You have to take first correct answer and just uh, write your answer in the blank space. Clear? So first one is about dash. First one, dash is not an example of supercomputer. Clear? So which of the following is not a supercomputer? Param, Titan, or K202? Okay, so let me tell you about this thing, that on page number 20 in a part of supercomputer we already discussed what is mean by supercomputer. Okay, and we see a few examples of supercomputer, right? That is Cray XMP, Pace, Titan. Okay, and the fastest computer in the world. Clear? So we see the Param. Okay, Param is an Indian supercomputer. It is developed by India. You know very well. Okay, Param. There are two variants of Param. That means Param 10,000 and Param Yuva, right? And Titan is also a supercomputer. Clear? Only we can see K202. So how you will write? You will write like this: K202 here. So Param K202 is not a supercomputer, example of supercomputer. Clear? So this was our first question of A. Clear? So Param 10,000 and Param Yuva, and we have Titan, Pace, Cray XMP. This much we have done in our page 20 of chapter 2. Clear? I will explain you some more things about supercomputers. Clear? Don't worry. Next, dash computer. Second question I am talking about. Okay, second question. Dash computer are used for weather casting. Okay, we know very well microcomputer we cannot use it for mainframe computer, no, but we use supercomputer. You will write your answer over here. We use supercomputer for weather forecasting, for controlling satellite, to find out distance, designing aircraft, studying earthquakes. Different types of application we have seen already of supercomputer. Okay, so supercomputer are used for weather forecasting. Clear? So take a snap if you want to. Clear? So let us proceed to third one. That is, dash computer are called PCs. What is mean by PC? First you have to know. PC, here I am writing, PC is personal computer. Okay. Okay, what is mean by PC? Personal computer. So what is mean by, which computer is known as, also called as PC? Mainframe computer. Okay, mainframe is very big in a size, and we cannot say this is a personal computer because it is used by organization or company mainly. Supercomputer, you know very well, scientist and a research labs and a big organization, big research organization generally use this kind of computer, supercomputer. So it cannot be personal. Okay, so here we have microcomputer. Okay, microcomputer is our answer. That is, microcomputer means desktop, laptop. Okay, which we also call PC in our computer lab of a school. I think you are used to of this PC name, PC, right? Check that PC. You may heard Preeti ma'am saying use that PC, only three people on a one PC. right? So PC means personal computer, and mini computers, mini, right? Mini, sorry, micro, not mini, micro. Mini are bigger than micro. So microcomputers are called as PCs. Clear? So this was our question A. Clear? First one is K202. Second one is supercomputer, and third one is microcomputer. The answers. Okay. Next, let us proceed to next one. That is true or false. Clear? All the computers are of same size. Is it true or false? No. Supercomputer is very big in size, very expensive. We are just talking about size. So you can see that laptop is quite smaller than desktop. So it is completely a false statement that all the computers are of same size. No, all the computers are not of same sizes. Clear? Second thing we done first. Second thing, desktop computer can be used while traveling. Second thing we are going to discuss that it is not possible that we are using desktop while traveling, because we use desktop at home. It is wired. It is necessary for desktop to run a desktop that it should be plugged in. Okay, but you can use laptop while traveling because it has a battery that needs to be charged. Then you can use it wireless. Okay, clear? Wirelessly you can use it. So desktop computer can be used while traveling. It is completely false statement. We cannot use desktop computer. That means desktop means which we use on a top of table, right? So we cannot use it while traveling because it needs it needs electricity via plug. Clear? Electricity plug. So next thing, that is question number 3. Supercomputers are used in schools, office and shop. Okay, we know this supercomputer, very expensive. Clear? Very expensive and most powerful computer in a generation of computer. Okay, so it is completely false. We cannot afford. False. Okay, we cannot afford a supercomputer, not a school, not an office. In a crores, in a billions, million and billions, they have a cost of a supercomputer, right? So office and shops we cannot use. We in a school, office or shop we use generally microcomputers. Clear? So that's why it is false. Mini computers are more capable than microcomputer. It is completely true. We can say mini computers are more capable. That means mini computer are more efficient and more capable to perform on a different operations than microcomputers. Okay, Param Yuva is a supercomputer. Yeah, definitely no need to explain this thing. We know very well Param Yuva and Param 10,000 are the supercomputers of India, right? Now next thing, one more thing I would like to tell about supercomputer. Okay, so it is given in book on page number 20 that Sunway Taihu Lite. This is Sunway Taihu Lite supercomputer. See, this is also a part of computer. This and this. Okay, this is only one supercomputer, Sunway Taihu Lite. This is of China, and in book it is shown that it is most powerful and fastest supercomputer of world. Okay, but it is a little wrong right now because now Japan has a lead in it. Okay, Fugaku name, computer supercomputer name Fugaku, Fugaku, Fugaku. This Fugaku computer of Japan is world fastest supercomputer in the world. It is made by two allies company of Japan. Okay, it is a combined task of two Japan companies which deals in supercomputing. Okay, now this is ahead, this Fugaku supercomputer is ahead of China and America, right? Now, who has a super fastest computer? Japan. Clear? So keep in your mind if someone asks you, because Sunway Taihu, this is Sunway Taihu light is given in our book, that is fastest computer, but now it is history. Okay, so hope you understood each and everything about supercomputer, why it is used for forecasting, controlling satellite, designing aircrafts, and multiple purpose. For multiple purpose we use supercomputer. And I will when school will reopen, I will give you some more information about our supercomputer, but it is not possible. It is it is little difficult for us to see it practically. Okay, but definitely we will work on desktop, and we will give some extraordinary details of our desktop, that means PC. Okay, when school will reopen. Till then, stay safe. Thank you so much. See you in next video.